I'm looking for cottage cooking. Where can that be? Oh, I think I see a sign here. Oh, it looks like it's a beautiful place. Yep, that's cottage cooking, all right. Oh, cooking class this way. Okay. All right. I see a door here, something on the door. It says, enter as stranger, leave as a friend. Oh, it looks like a friendly place. Let's see what's going on.
Hello, welcome to Cottage Cooking. We've been expecting you.
Thank you.
Would you like to meet me out at the fire pit first?
I would love to.
See you there.
All right, I'm coming. All right, fire pit, she said fire pit. Okay, looks like there's a bunch of signs here. Let's see what's there. Looks like many things is happening here. I can see fire pit, veg garden, wildlife dining, the museum. And they have a museum now. Wow. Aperitif deck. I like that. And that's the main house. Okay, so fire pit goes to the right. I go to the right. Oh, and I see Lisa over there.
You found it.
Ah, yeah.
Did the sign help?
It did indeed.
Excellent. So this is our fire pit. It's a great place to have a cocktail, have a little dessert. Just a nice little cozy spot.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Looks
so
beautiful.
It's a beautiful sunny day here.
Yeah.
Cool. And the fire's
Beautiful
just,
place.
Fire's just getting stoked, and occasionally we'll have some bears pass through too. See?
Wow. Yes, indeed. I can see the bear crossing sign. Oh my God. The museum. Oh wow, they have a museum now. Wow, okay. Looks like it's this way. Yeah, I find it.
You found it. Admission is free to Cottage Cooking guests. You'll be very pleased to know it's part of the package. This is our very first Cottage Cooking apron. As you can see, it's very well worn. Definitely museum worthy. And here we have a map, because as you know, Cottage Cooking loves to travel, and we cook to travel, so there's lots of places on this map we would like to go. And then if you come inside, if you dare, these are the different states that John has been to, and there's many more that he would like to travel to. And lots of tools to maintain cottage cooking and its grounds. And what else do you have to share, John?
Well, we have skis. We get skis, you get a bunch of medals from bicycle races I've done in the past. We have the International Bag Flag coat, we have scuba diving flag, we have Lisa over here. Motorcycle, love motorcycle, more races. And that's about it. I am back at the sign, and let's discover what's going on at Cottage Cooking. What else? Aperitif deck. What is this? Okay, we pass the museum and we go this way, and I can see John and Lisa over there. VIP entrance, very interesting. Wildlife dining. What is this? Oh, looks like the restaurant is empty right now. But I can see a bird feeder, and I can see a squirrel picnic table. What about that?
They love it.
Interesting. All right, now let's find out where the kitchen is. I have the feeling it's this way here. This is the main deck. Nice umbrella. And we got a kitchen here. Oh, looks like something is going on here. Oh, this is Lisa again.
We are making pita bread. So, let's see how our dough is doing. Ooh!
Oh, wow.
It's doubled in size.
Beautiful.
All right, so let's get cooking.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go from the aperitif deck to the vegetable garden through the main deck. Well, this is your main deck. You get the fire pit on the left, and you see Lisa working on the garden in front of you.
Hello.
Lisa, what's cooking?
We are going to plant some broccoli and some spinach.
Beautiful.
That's what we have.
These guys here?
You got it.
Awesome.
Well, after aperitif time, what happens? We do a little, table looks like it's set for somebody. And there's John at the grill.
John at the grill. We're gonna cook some chicken.
What kind of chicken you making, John?
Mojo chicken
Mojo chicken.
with balsamic grill peaches. Just out.
Yum.
And it is delicious. Freaking delicious. All right, let's go for it. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God.
What did you say?
I see. Looks delicious.